There are many ways to make money online. Here are some popular options.
Freelancing. You can offer your skills and services to clients online through websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Online surveys. You can sign up for websites that pay you for completing surveys or participating in market research studies. Selling products. You can sell physical or digital products online through platforms such as Amazon, eBay, or Etsy.
Affiliate marketing. You can earn a commission by promoting products or services on your website or social media accounts.
Online tutoring. You can teach or tutor students online through platforms such as Chegg or TutorMe. Content creation. You can create content such as videos, blog posts, or podcasts and monetize them through ads or sponsorships. Stock trading. You can invest in stocks or other securities online through platforms such as Robinhood or eTrade.
These are just a few examples, and there are many other ways to make money online.
It's important to do your research and choose a method that aligns with your skills and interests.